Discover. Recipe. Proven to stop hunger cravings in their tracks. And help you melt away up to 1 pound of fat per day. Why did I risk my life for this cup of tea? I thought my life was about to come to a very sudden and painful end. The snake was flicking his tongue at me. He rattled his tail. That's when he jumped. When I woke up, I was surrounded by an African tribe. They were playing strange music like I had never heard before. A few of them were taking care of me. Finally, the tribe's shaman gave me the cup of tea that would change my life forever. Hi, I'm Liz Swann Miller. I'm a naturopath and a best-selling Amazon author who has helped over 14,793 women and men reclaim their health, fitness, and happiness with the advice they needed to improve their physical well-being. As a professional weight loss expert, I was ashamed and frustrated by the weight I'd gained after a difficult and complicated pregnancy. No matter which of my time-tested techniques I tried, I just couldn't get rid of pounds and pounds of stubborn excess fat. It was like I was a stranger in my own body, trapped in a shell I didn't even recognize anymore. The worst part was that I couldn't seem to do anything to get my life back to normal. I was disappointed, ashamed, and more alone than I'd ever been. I felt absolutely helpless. That all changed when I took a plane to Africa and discovered the delicious tea that made me burn body fat quickly and easily, without feeling hungry. Now, you need to read this article until the very end, because I'm actually going to give you this revolutionary ancient tea recipe today. Tea recipe today.